Hey yo, what's going on, you guys? It's FunTube Aviation here, back at it again with another video. And for today's video, we are doing another unboxing video. Sorry about the leaning. My tripod's kind of broken right now, so it's like heavily leaning. But yeah, before we dive into this video, I'm going to have to give two huge shout outs right now to Plain Dude. His Instagram's gonna be linked down below. Please go check him out, drop a follow. And John Aviation Instagram also going to be linked down below. Drop a follow. Thank you guys for subscribing and following on the gram and on YT Reel. But if you guys want a shout out in any of my videos, please drop a follow on the Instagram, drop a subscribe, turn on this notification bell, DM me on Instagram, and send me a screenshot of you being subscribed and having the notification bell on. But without further ado, let's dive right on into this unboxing video. And yeah, so today we're doing Lufthansa 747-400, as I said in the beginning. I got this model a year ago, and I went with Ed's Aviation 2. But yeah, this is a new style for Lufthansa boxes, but let's dive right on into it. So I like this style of Gemini jets, the way it looks. Made for collectors by collectors, trademark. Computer generated image. Boeing 747-400 Lufthansa, 1/400 scale deck as model aircraft. Look inside. Here are your sides. I picked this up for $58.95, and that's a lot of money now. I mean, that's a lot of money for 2019, and now in 2020 they're charging $66 for a 747. Like, we're almost paying 1/200 scale prices. But I love the style box back here, just the way it looks on the Lufthansa. It's great. It's really good looking. There is the flap. Pause if you'd like to read. There's the model. Let's get this baby out. I mean, you saw it on Sunday's video. But yeah, you saw it on Sunday's video as the opening airplane for that airport update. I am now moving to bi-weekly updates for KFTA. But yeah, moving towards that, and that's the model right there. It's a really good looking model. Really like it. Yeah. Alright guys, I think that'll conclude this video. Thank you all so much for watching. If you want a shout out, drop a follow, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, DM me with a screenshot. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe. And I guess I will see you on Thursday. Peace out.